I want to show you a simple makeup tutorial from by me. I am a little bit expert of makeup. So, we're gonna start. We're gonna use Avon Gold Collection. It's Ideal Oil Control Press Powder. So, use this. Then, so natural to me because I am a purely Filipino. Then, the second is the blemish sheet. We're gonna use a small.
Ay, nilakaw naman. Mama. Kaya nga, nilakaw ko, mama.
Then we will use a big brush.
Ikaw, gusto. Ay, pangayib, ano?
Okay, use our hand to.
Gusto. Palitan ako, mama.
Then, voila! Then, the third is the eyeshadow. It's a Estee Lauder eyeshadow.
Mas arang-arangan siguro.
Use a brush. Use the petal and apricot eyeshadow.
Kato din sinilas ni Kwan Kwan. Kato din sinilas na kuwap ko. Gamay. Katong gamay, katong kuwang. Wala pa din kayo nakabantay. Nakabantay. Masa mo aan? Ito na ko wala dito.
Then, voila! It's a natural beauty. Then the third is, and the fourth is the moisturizing lipstick. It's a big lipstick that is a hand for.
Kuha ang balon ni Janice. Ni ate na ko. Si Rinrin. Di ko. Unang kita ang balon si ate Rinrin. Di kulit ko na siya ko. Bisugay na po siya. Tingnan ba mo? Pinikas po. Di ako dipad to ka. Ang dipalingkod.
Then hello, it's so white and it's so moisturized my lips. Then we use a Simply Pretty Collection lipstick, a pink color, and we're gonna use our hand. And we're gonna use our hand.
Pwede na ka maka-ato. Ano? Tower ni Talos ba? Ako piyong ko ha. Spelling. T-O-W.
Voila! It's so pink. And last but and we use a mascara.